Why is everyone so raving and so happy about the Ultra HydraFacial? You ask, I answer. The Ultra HydraFacial is among the most popular and effective skin rejuvenation and cleansing treatment, and for a very good reason. This remarkable treatment is so popular here and all over the world, and let me show you why. It starts with a patent, it's called Vortex-Fusion device, and it cleans, exfoliates, and cleans the pores and deliver customized serum to your skin. It combines everything your skin needs regarding cleansing in the first step. But really deep cleansing, like your skin has never been as clean before. And then we move to rejuvenation, firming, detoxing, and hydration, deep hydration. The multi-step approach is amazing. Traditional facials deeply cleanse and hydrate your skin, but the Ultra HydraFacial is a next level treatment. The concept is to keep your skin so clean, hydrated, and protected as possible for a long time. It's accomplished with few results. Cleanse and peel, like I said. So before anything else can happen, a new layer of fresh and healthy skin has to gently reveal. The resurfacing process is very relaxing. It's not painful or anything. This is the first step, and I'm using the scrubber here with a special scrub, and what I call the Vortex machine. Not this one, sorry, the Vortex machine that will suck everything out. And then, like I said, extract and hydration. Actually, it's the Vortex. And the pores are like everything's sucked from them. They are extremely clean, and together you're gonna feel this moisturizing serum and cleansing serum that will cleanse and moisturize the skin, so there's no redness or anything like that appear at the same time. Then I'm gonna use the ultrasonic, sorry, lost my thought, with a special serum and gel, and this will encourage creating collagen and elastin in the skin to make it more healthy and alive and glow. And then I will use the radio frequency to stimulate the muscles under your skin, and that means the skin is alive, it's lifted, is firm, and yeah, think about that. The muscles are stimulated, so there is like a wake up call. Then we're gonna use the cold hammer, the cold therapy, with a special mask to close the pores, to give you this healthy, beautiful glow and infuse the mask better. And to finish up, I'm gonna use the infusion of hydration and oxygen to the skin. That will deeply hydrate it and will give it the life that you want. Unlike other treatments, oh, and there is an option, sorry, I didn't mention that, to add the LED light treatment. The LED light is a mask that has 7 different lights, and each light addresses other skin issue. It's not painful or anything. It really gives results. So you can close the treatment with the LED light treatment, and this beautiful treatment that everybody are raving about is the next level. It gives you long-lasting results for a long time after one go. It can apply to all skin types, and everyone gets amazing results. So you're welcome to book it or ask me any question that you want.